Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you guys are fine and doing well. I welcome you all to Ep6 online support program. This is the video lesson for class 2. Textbook Integrated Studies Computer Science page numbers 110 chapter 11 my first article task 3 make a list. Resources which are required are textbook, computer, laptop and PDF book. Summary of the lesson is Microsoft Word is a word program which allows you to format a text and picture. The child will learn in this task how to create lists using the bullets and numbers button instead of manually creating each numbers for an item. Thought of the day. Always say, yes, I can do it. Today's topic is task 3. Make a list. To start a numbered list and then use the continuing number function to continue the number in a new paragraph or list. Basically, we are starting a new task which is of task 3. Make a list. So we will learn in this task about adding bullets to our list. Objective for our task is today we will learn to add bullets in a list, and the success criteria: press enter twice to stop the bullet formatting and return to normal formatting. Do you know how can we create list? Yes, we do use this formation in Microsoft Word because it is already given on the paragraph group. There are different bullets you can use. You can use number bullets to make list. Okay, so let's open Microsoft Word and continue our task which is about make a list. Okay, so this is your Microsoft Words window. So if you want to create a list, you need to apply the bullets to your list. Look, these are the bullets library. You can use the bullets library. If you want to number your list, you can number it from this different numbering library. Okay, for instance, I am typing over here, there are 7 days in a week. I want to write Monday on my next line. Press enter, MONDAY. Okay, so here is no bullet over here. Basically, bullets modify your list more beautifully. I am selecting this now. Press enter, then the next bullet will automatically appears on your next line. Tuesday, Wednesday, press enter again. Thursday, press enter. Friday, press enter. Saturday, press enter. Sunday. Okay, so this way you can add bullets. If you press enter 2 times, then the bullet will automatically disappear. And if you want to use number list, then you need to select the list and go to numbering because it will create a numbered list. Click the down arrow, select any of them. You can choose any of them from the numbering library. Okay, so this way you can add bullets to your list. Okay, do practice this at home. This is your home practice activity. Open Microsoft Word and create a bullet list with the months of the year. We have done 7 days of a week. You need to create a bullet list with the months of the year. Change the bullet symbols to the one you like. Finally, change the bullet list into a numbered list. Okay, so this was the end of our lesson. Always say, yes, you can do it. Because if you are not sure about your abilities, then how can you do it? You need to be more sure that you can do it. Never say that you cannot. Always think that you can and you will do it. Never lose hope, because if you think once that you want to, then it is for sure that you will achieve what you want. Okay, take care of yourself and your family. Don't forget to smile. Thank you.